again with Maverick Outdoor Living and Design. I'm here with Jonathan Feeler from Napoleon Grills. He's going to introduce us to the Prestige PRO 665. Would you call this a cart grill, or would you just call this like a monster?
It is really a monster, but it's not too big. It won't take up your whole deck. So some of the cool things about the Prestige Pro series, there is a Prestige series. This jumps up into the Pro level. Some of the key features on it, you can see it has the interior lights so you can see what you're doing, as well as these 9.5 millimeter thick grates.
Let me get a feel of those. Oh wow, these are really heavy duty grates.
It is. It's heavy. Great heat retention. So searing steaks, things like that.
That'll make cooking a breeze, especially if you're trying to get that really high temperature.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yep, exactly. And it also has the groove grate so your food doesn't fall down in between and you have more surface contact to the meat.
Very fancy. All right, so show me what this thing does exactly, because I'm really interested in this. You don't see this on a lot of gas grills.
Yeah, so this is your smoker tray. You can put pellets or wood chips in there. And then there is a burner underneath it that you'll light, and
look at that.
That burner will smolder those pellets or chips, and you can add some smoke flavor to your food.
Wow.
So, yep, and then it also has, as you can see, the safety glow knobs, so that way you don't accidentally leave a burner on. So.
Well, that's just cool.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's something else on this grill that I'm really interested in, and it's this infrared burner.
Yeah. Tell
me a little bit about this infrared burner.
If you love doing steaks, the side infrared burner you're going to use it a lot. A lot of people don't use their older grills didn't come with an infrared burner that had a pot burner on it. If you're doing a lot of steaks on your grill, you're going to use this a lot. 1800 degrees in 30 seconds. You can infuse some smoke into your meat on this side, let that smoke come over, and then finish it by searing it off.
Well, that's fantastic, Jonathan. Thank you for sharing. Now, when it comes to Napoleon, what kind of warranty comes with these grills?
It comes with a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime?
Lifetime. The burners, lifetime. Everything is lifetime on it, except your grates are 15 years, and your sear plates, which are the first thing that go out on gas grills,
I'm not too
15.
I'm not too worried about these grates wearing out. If they wear out, you've done something wrong, or maybe something right.
Exactly.
So if you're interested in the Napoleon Prestige Pro 665 cart grill, come down and see us at Maverick Outdoor Living on 199th and Metcalf in Stillwell, Kansas.